So hello friends, welcome back to day 5 of our 30 days English speaking practice journey. So today's story is very inspiring. It teaches us a lesson about how problems can become opportunities. So let's begin today's story. The obstacle on the road, रास्ते की रुकावट. Once upon a time, a king wanted to teach a lesson to his people. He placed a big rock in the middle of the main road. Then he hid behind the tree and watched. Many rich people passed by. They saw the rock and said, "Why is this stone here?" But no one tried to move it. Then a poor farmer came. He was carrying vegetables. He saw the rock and thought, "This stone is blocking the road. Someone may fall." So he kept his bag down and pushed the rock. It was heavy, but he did not give up. Finally, he moved it. Under the rock, he saw a bag of gold. There was a note from the king. "This reward is for the one who removed the obstacle." The farmer smiled. He was happy. Moral of the story: problems are not always bad. Sometimes they give us rewards. Don't complain, take action. Hello friends, welcome back to day 4 of our 30 days English speaking journey. So today I will tell you a short and simple story. From this story, you will learn English and a life lesson too. So let's begin. The story: The Lion and the Mouse. One day, a big lion was sleeping in the forest. A small mouse ran over the lion's body. The lion woke up and caught the mouse. He was very angry. The mouse said, "Please don't kill me. I will help you one day." The lion laughed and let the mouse go. After some days, the lion was caught in a hunter's net. He tried to escape, but he could not. The mouse heard his roar and ran to help. He cut the net with his small teeth. The lion was free. The lion said, "Thank you, little mouse. I never thought you could help me." So moral of the story is, small friends can be great helpers. Never judge someone by their size. Kindness always comes back. So friends, this was a simple story with a big message. If a tiny mouse can help a lion, you can also do great. Frog who never gave up. So there was a group of frogs playing in the forest. They were happy. They were jumping, laughing, enjoying themselves. But suddenly, two of them fell into a deep pit. Deep pit means Dehragat. All the other frogs came and looked down. They said, "Oh no, you are stuck. It is too deep. You can't get out. Don't waste your energy." But still, the two frogs kept trying. They kept jumping again and again, hoping to reach the top. After a while, one frog got tired. He gave up. But the other frog, he just kept going. He didn't stop. He just jumping once, twice, again and again. And guess what? With one big push, he came out. Everyone was shocked. They asked, "How did you do that? Didn't you hear us saying you can't make it?" The frog smiled. He didn't say anything. Do you know why? Because he was deaf. Means वो बहरा था. So he couldn't hear the negative words. He thought everyone was cheering for him, not pulling him down. So moral of the story is, sometimes in life you must become deaf to negative people. People will say you can't speak English. They'll say you are not confident, but don't let their voice become your belief. If you believe in yourself, nothing is impossible. Elephant good. One day a man saw some elephant in a tent. The elephants were not in cages. They were not tied with big chains. Just a small rope was tied to one leg. The man was surprised. He asked the trainer, "Why don't the elephant run away?" The trainer said, "When they are small, we tied them with this rope. They try to break it, but they can't. So they believe they can never break it. As they grow big, they still believe the same. So they never try again." The moral of the story: don't limit yourself by your past. Just because you couldn't do something before doesn't mean you can't do it now. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you tomorrow in day 5 with a new story. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.